How's it going, everyone? This is your daily guide. In today's video, let's talk about on how we can see availability in Outlook. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the application, and from here you then have to click on the new meetings option. But in my case, I'll just simply navigate through the side categories, and from here I'll click on meeting, click on yes, and then on inside this page you then have to click on the scheduling assistant. Now, of course, if you're setting your own meeting, you also have this scheduling assistant on the top of your screen. And basically from here, you will be able to see the availability of the person that you're meeting with. So in my case, it's going to be this specific email right here. Now, unfortunately, this isn't a individual, so there's no scheduling onto the calendar itself, but basically you will be able to see when there are going to be free. For example, maybe something like 12 p.m. on March 20. Now you can then set your meeting onto this specific time, and from there you are basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.